Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and in this tutorial video I want to show you how to set up two-factor authentication first I'm going to show you on Facebook. This is a way to protect your accounts from being hijacked by the bad guys. So first I want to take you to Facebook. And I want to show you how you normally log into an account, and I'm going to use a friend's account, not mine. Now you'd have to know the password, right? And then log in. Once you're logged in, you need to find your account settings. They keep moving it, but right now it's up on the web, it's up in the top right corner with this just little drop down arrow, and settings and privacy. And settings. Then it has to do with security and login, and two-factor authentication. Use two-factor authentication. You click edit there. Authentication apps are good, but right now I'm just going to show you how to do it via a text message. Use text message. And you need to put in your phone number here. And to test, it has sent that code to that phone number. So let me show you on my phone. A text message has come in, and it did appear right on the screen for a minute there, but I wasn't fast enough. It says, "This is your Facebook confirmation code." Now, one thing to realize, I made this mistake so many times in the beginning. It's not that number at the top. That's just the number that this confirmation came from. It is the 6-digit number in the body of the message. 753695 is your Facebook confirmation. And I don't mind showing you that because the next time this happens, it will be a different number. But I just type in the code that I got on the phone and continue. Now it's on. So now I want to show you just exactly what it means to have two-factor authentication is on. So I'm going to log out of this account. So I type in the username and the password and log in. And because I am on the same device, it lets me in. But I need to show you on a different device. So here I'm using an iPad, and I know this account has never been logged into Facebook before. I just opened a browser and go to facebook.com. So imagine that this is a hacker's iPad, and he has come up with the correct username and password, and he tries to log in. And it will not let you until you get the 6-digit code login, which I'm getting on my phone. So 254143. So now we're in, but that's what two-step verification. So two-factor authentication is the best way to keep the bad guys out. Even if they got a hold of your real username and your password, they won't be able to get in unless they also have your phone to get the code or the verification.